California just got hit with a massive Second Amendment ruling. Their ammunition background check law was blocked again. And this time, a federal appeals court is backing it up. But here's the real question. Are we witnessing a win for freedom, or are we just setting the stage for chaos? Stick around, because this one's going to ruffle some feathers. Welcome to the Prepared Outpost channel. Chris Bartagone here, and this channel is designed to break down the biggest Second Amendment news, offer insights on products and training, and talk about all things relating to being a prepared individual. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into what we got to talk about today. So let's break down what just happened. This is nothing new, we've seen it before, but this time it's a little bit different. Earlier this year, U.S. District Judge Roger Benitez ruled that California's ammunition background check law violates the Second Amendment, and now a federal appeals court just backed him up 2-1. This law required that every time you buy ammunition, you have to pass a background check. Think about that for a second. You already passed one to own the firearm. Doesn't matter. Buy a box of 9mm, do it again. The court said this system meaningfully constrains your rights to keep operable arms, and that California couldn't prove this was part of the country's historical tradition of firearm regulation. Let me ask you this. Should you have to get government approval every time you buy the ammo? I already know your answer, but let me hear it anyway. Next question. Is this really about safety or government control? Also, I know your answer, but sound off in the comments. Now here's where it gets wild. California tried to argue that old 1700s power and flintlock regulations were similar to today's ammo laws. Insane. The court wasn't having it. They said those historical analogs were irrelevant and out of context. Now, if you're a gun owner in California, you're probably cheering, although you've been here before, but others are already sounding the alarm, and we know why. So here's where it gets controversial. Some are going to argue that this ruling opens the door for unchecked ammo stockpiling, which is absolute bullshit. But what's worse, that or a state telling you how many bullets you're allowed to buy? Both of those are bullshit. I'm sorry, this is America. Others are going to say that this will lead to an increase in violence, but guess what? California already has some of the strictest gun laws in the country, and that hasn't exactly stopped crime in LA or Oakland. So ask yourself this, is it really about gun violence, or is it about people control? So I want to hear from you in the comments. Do you think this is going to last, or do you think that we are going to be right back where we were? So I want to hear from you in the comments. Do you think that this is going to stick, or do you think we're going to be right back where we were? People in California are probably going to jump on this, and hopefully they get enough ammunition in the next couple of days to last. But I do have a feeling that it's going to get overturned again. Drop your thoughts below and let me hear it. So here's the bottom line, folks. This isn't just about ammunition. It's about freedom versus fear, control versus rights, and whether we, the people, still get to decide how we defend ourselves as free Americans. California says it's about safety. The court says it's unconstitutional. What do you say? Do me a favor, make sure you're subscribed, join the channel, hit the bell so you get notified when more of these videos drop. Until next time, you guys stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you soon.